Using the latest AI tools is not enough to build apps that truly compete. But combine those with the right expertise, then you get direction, clarity, and efficiency. The power to build the next Uber or Airbnb without burning millions. At MERN.AI, we build high-performance software, engineered with precision, creativity, and speed, and powered by AI where it matters. When you are building software that lasts, you need to get these 4 pillars right. High-impact user experience, cutting-edge front-end and back-end expertise, system design that helps you scale, and seamless cloud management. Let's get right down to it.
Before the first line of code, there is the user. A great product begins with what users see, feel, and remember. In today's world of shrinking attention spans, the real challenge is to deliver an aha moment within seconds. That's why we design apps not just with branding and layout, but with behavior, psychology, and emotion in mind. Take TeamSaver, our product dashboard app for founders. It helps CEOs access their most important KPIs fast. Instead of complex dashboards, it feels like a conversation. They request a metric, team leads respond, and everything updates visually in real time. It's not just functional, it's enjoyable, even habitual. And once the experience is defined, we bring it to life with code.
Design sparks emotion, but engineering brings it to life. When we build frontend and backend, our developers don't just implement designs. They collaborate with design teams to honor the creative rhythm. Take our live estimate generator on MERN.AI. It's designed for busy founders who want clarity in seconds. On the front end, we use React. On the back end, Node.js paired with a fine-tuned LLM. What makes it special is how naturally the AI and interface speak to the user. It feels like the estimate is having a conversation with you. Our real work, structuring components, understanding navigation hierarchies, and balancing creativity with engineering constraints. But to power features like this, the system design underneath must be bulletproof.
There's the part of a product you see, and then there's part that keeps it running. Advanced system design is about making sure that when a million users shows up at once, nothing breaks. For a large-scale e-learning platform, we build modular microservices for each functions, exam, lectures, payments, each isolated, reliable, and resilient. That way, when thousands take an exam simultaneously, it doesn't affect those watching a lecture or making a payment. We use containerization with Kubernetes, deployed on platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google based on the client's budget and scale. But all of that comes alive only when the cloud is smart, secure, and scalable.
Deployment isn't just pushing code. It's about handling security, scalability, and cost all at once. For security, we follow strict best practices, and our clients work with pen testing partners to keep platforms safe from real-world threats. For scalability, we simulate large-scale traffic with load tests and configure auto-scaling clusters to match demand in real time. And we keep cost in check. Whether it's AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, we optimize infrastructure based on your goals and industry. From setup to scale, we make cloud management seamless. So when you mix the best of AI with real software expertise, you just don't move fast. You move in the right direction at less time and less cost. So you don't need $1 million to build the next Uber or Tinder. And throughout it all, our clients love the way we work. From test case driven work plans to real-time test links, weekly deliveries, and progress calls. The process is just as seamless as the software we build. At MERN.AI, we build high-performance software, engineered with precision, creativity, and speed, and powered by AI where it matters.